December, one of the most joyful times of the year. At least for me. I love Christmas, but last year, on Christmas night, looked at my mother and I said, it did not feel like Christmas. I didn't say it exactly like that, but I did cry. That did happen. So to bring back the childlike Christmas spirit that I so miss, I created a bucket list of 25 things to do up until Christmas. Do these things have to be done on the exact day that it's related to? No. I can do multiple of these things on one day, hence like today, or I can do none on a day, like probably tomorrow. Or not, I don't know. I just would like Christmas to feel magical again. Will I be able to complete every single thing on this list? That depends. It may not snow, so I may not be able to create a snowman, and that's okay. But it's Christmas. Not yet, but like it's Christmassy time. And welcome to these Christmas vlogs. And over these next 3 vlogs, you will see me try to complete this bucket list and also do my daily life activities. Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
You want me to do it or you want you to do it? You gotta cut it open.
In the kitchen. Come in.
I'm gonna help you with a puzzle. What are you gonna do? In the kitchen.
So I've gotten ready for the day, and this shirt, I love it, but it is warm, so my window's open. I'm kind of upset with one of my advent calendars because it's like little cat ornaments, but it doesn't give me the string to hang the ornaments with. Just have a bunch of cats now, or will. I'm also very happy with my crystal one. That was a last minute decision. I also did a whole advent calendar last night because it was an escape room one. It was not good. I was so annoyed. I spent like 5 hours on that thing. Also, I have a candle advent calendar, but it's kind of, I don't want to light it yet because it's kind of bendy. It's like it'll just kind of fall. So I'm nervous to touch that. But the decorating commences today. Oh, look at my bed. But it's Christmas time, and my boyfriend's coming over tonight and we're gonna do the tree, but it's 1 p.m. and he's at work and he's busy and there's a lot of fish at his work, so I haven't heard from him at all today and it's making me sad, but I'll see him all tonight, so it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I know he's busy. I do not need to be stressed. I just hope he's alive. Thanks, way back. So I gotta decorate and do stuff, and there's a few things that I want to check off the bucket list. But yeah, but this chocolate, let me just say, it's cardboard. It tastes like cardboard. I do not know if I'm going to be able to eat this every day, and that's just sad. So I'm sweating. I need to move. My heater is right there, so yeah. Got all the boxes up. Yeah. Goodbye. I got too warm, so I changed. So I'll put this shirt back on later to be more festive later. Okay, let's... Ta-da! Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, yay. I went outside and I put stuff on the porch. I'm not showing that due to not wanting to. It's really not a lot, and it was very cold out. I underestimated how cold it's finally getting. So it's chai time. I'm gonna make a chai and relax until I can start doing more decorating when my mom is done cleaning the living room. So. I just found a Bob Ross nightlight, but I don't know where his arm went. Who took your arm, Bob?
Moving can be so exciting and stressful, I know. I have that feeling of like, I just want to be moved in already. I want to be moving, but like, all of the work to get there is not. That's less fun. I don't want to do that as much.
He's my baby.
Your man wants a treat. And an update on the boyfriend. He's alive. Oh, you can't go down. No. It's a liquid treat. You gotta come back up. Come here. Sit down.
Well done. Good boy.
He approves.
Eat a pasta.
Watch yourself. Shallots.
And skin.
A little bit of skin never hurt nobody.
And we're doing gnocchi and some penne, because we don't have enough gnocchi. And it's pesto alfredo, and I should stir that.
Well, that's the ornament you have.
Chess!
Yes.
Good morning. Found 3, but there's 2. Let's see if today's chocolate tastes any better. I have nails now, and it's so much harder to open it. Oh, that's kind of... I had to change the angle because my camera's gonna die, so now you're plugged in. Don't know if this will be a good shot, but who cares? This one I'm gonna open next. There's nothing in there. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh wow, lighting sucks. Maybe if I went over here.
I don't know. I'll show you guys later. This lighting is awful. My little charm one. So maybe I'll get a charm for my bracelet. Eeyore! You can't see that. Wow. I wasn't gonna have one in J3 either. Oh, yay. So I am going to pick up my boyfriend because we are going to his fish store to look at the fish. He's showing me the fish. And that is all I really had to say. Chester, what do you want? What do you want? So I am in the car. I'm just waiting for my mom right now. We're going out, but I got back from being out with my boyfriend. I didn't get to go into his fish store, so I didn't get to film any of that because his boss was there and I didn't want to like intrude because it's one of the off days. So starting the car, so the radio might kick in. But I think we're going to Toys R Us and then we gotta go to the grocery store, but first we have to go to the government to deal with some other stuff with my mom's sicky eye and whatnot. So yeah. That's all that's really going on right now. I don't want the music to somehow kick in. Oh, maybe it won't. Oh. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Just wanted to update. I'm bringing the vlog camera because I think it would be fun to vlog in Toys R Us. But yeah, so. Like, this is a kid's store. Like, this is a kid's store. I don't think these should be here. Like, I don't think half of the books that they have in the store should be here. In this store. I don't think this should be. Just saying. Hi, Betty. Mwah. I got no face. Do I not smell good? Oh. You look so weird. You gonna bite me? Okay. So. Oh, can I even get this out? Oh no. Okay. Well, Pioneer, the second book in the Empire of the Vampire series. That's what it's called, right? Yep. Okay. I finished the first book in the series last December, so it's only fitting that I start and hopefully finish the second book. So the first book took me 5 months to read. I think, whoop, don't get spoilers, because there's art. There is 713 pages. Now, hypothetically, if I were to read 100 pages a day, I could finish that in 7 days, right? Makes sense. The pages are a lot thinner in this one, but oh my god, it's gonna be pretty. The art is stunning. I'm so excited. I like looking at the back because it shows kind of the journey that you take across the whole book and stuff. It's so, because it's like a retelling, like the main character is talking to a historian about his story, and I just saw where it was like on the first like little insert. Oh my gosh, this is so thin. It was, oh my gosh, it says, "And now, mes amis, we begin." That is so, I don't remember his name, but it's him. It's him. That's DR. Okay. I need to compose myself, but I tabbed the first book. I don't know if I want to tab this one. The tabbing of the first book was primarily just to help me keep track of the world and like remember it. But yeah, this is gonna be insane because the first book, by like recounting standards, the start of the book starts at like sunset and then the book ends at sunrise. So that's like just one day. And I just saw that the book starts at sunset, so I'm assuming it's gonna end at sunrise and just like, you know?
Get all onto a board and get shopping. Oh, the smell it's phenomenal, and you can cut this to any texture you want. I am quite happy with that. I'm just going to go in with a nice big handful of dry breadcrumbs, and that will soak up some of those lovely resting juices from the meat.
Good morning. It's a lot earlier. Opening my advent calendars. Oh, I'm cold. I think that would be quartz. My mom has a doctor's appointment today, so that's why it's up earlier. I like this one, but it sucks to open. Okay. Who is it, Tigger? It's very hard to see, but it is Tigger. I don't know if you can tell. Okay. Come on. This is how the braids turned out. It's just my bangs that don't get in the braids, so then they're just like straight. Which is like, it's fine. I'm also wearing the shirt my boyfriend got me for my birthday, and I love it. But yes, off to the hospital. I'm not bringing you guys because that's a lot to do, and we're not gonna be there for long. Like, it's not a whole day thing. Tomorrow might be, but I'm still not gonna bring you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. It's almost 1 o'clock though, so doctors went well. My mom's immunotherapy is still on for tomorrow, which is good. Boyfriend, hello. I'll be hanging out with my boyfriend, but I look so bright. Is that better or worse? I'm gonna stand right here. I still think that's bad. Oh no. Is here better? We're just gonna go with it. But I think I'm getting sick again. My nose is very stuffed. I'm very annoyed by that. Because if you have not watched any of my other videos, you would not know that I have been sick since the last week of October. And it... Anyway, yeah.
I'm hearing all wrong.
Baking time. So they're not very red velvet. It's more brown. But it's okay. Here's our chef.
Yeah.
I'm sure my dad has had it. I just have never. Well, that's good. See if I find it.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
he wants you.
I know. she's gonna get something.
Because of that, I'm gonna eat a piece of her sausage.
They're not very red velvety.
Wait till we flip them though, because.
It is time to taste test.
And your eggs are almost.
Okay, thank you.
Kane, do you want syrup? Syrup? Weird? Weird?
It's just a normal pancake.
Oh, seriously?
Just-
Which is okay then.
It's fine. But it's like,
But you really have to cook it on a low heat. And normally, you gotta cook it on a good.
a really high heat.
I can taste kind of the cocoa, but it's not really. It's just, it's more cake. Like
Is it more cake?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's more just like a cake. So, and they're not very red, but we couldn't find red dye, so.
Brown velvet pancake.
I'm sick again, and I hate it, so I cried. My lips are so red. Anyway, I'm sick. Or getting sick, or I don't know. But, still gotta take my mom tomorrow. It's my job! Ugh. But I'm sick again, or my nose is stuffed, and I'm tired, and so I'm going to bed. Because I need to sleep so I can drive tomorrow. Good morning. I'm feeling okay. My nose is finally unstuffed from the whole night. My cough is back though, which I'm annoyed about. So, let's do the advent calendars. I don't know if I'll be the one driving my mom to her immunotherapy today. I think I can. Because I'm feeling up to it. What is this? Oh, it's the world around the world around the world. Speckled. I think this one would be white howlite. I don't know if these are real, but I think this one's white howlite. I feel ears, maybe a bunny. Is it a bunny? Oh, it's a little deer. It's a little deer. So, I'm taking my mom. I'm lint rolling my sweater, so don't mind this. If I am having I'm overheating and then getting really, really cold, so I want to have a sweater so I can fluctuate my temperatures at whim. So, I'm not going to be bringing my big vampire book with me because there's a lot of drawings in there with explicit images, so probably not something I want to read in public. So, I'm going to be bringing this winter the little Heartstopper novella to read. It's only there's 102 pages. So, that I could easily finish, and it's just cute and small, and I'm gonna bring it with me. I'll have my frog bookmark with it. So that's kind of all I'll be doing today. Obviously I'll film when I get back home for a bit. I don't know what we're doing tonight, but reading. So we're home! We're home! Hi! We missed you. You ready? Where you going? Ready? What? What? You
look so mad. You look so mad.
This snowman won't let me go to bed. Will you? There's snow. Oh, I think I'm losing my voice again. Just the slightest amount. It's the 5th today already. That just looks painted on. That one doesn't seem real. I'm not planning on doing much today. I hang out with my boyfriend later, but other than that, I think I might just read. Oh my god. It's Piglet. It's Piglet. Wait. Look at the Piglet. I love Piglet. Antlers. Buddy, I don't have any more. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Do you want another treat? Yeah? You want another treat? I've given you all of them. I'm sorry. I'm finally dressed and my hair is washed and I've had breakfast. I had little like hash brown things, but they took like an hour to cook. So I didn't eat until like 1, but it's 1:30. Ta-da. And I'm finally reading. I got like 4% through on Monday. And I'm hoping, because this book is split into a bunch of tinier books within the book, so I'm on book 1 right now of the book. I think it's called Saints and Sinners, so like, see. So I'm hoping to try and finish that today. I'm at 50 pages. I think this book 1 goes until 45. Yeah, about 45. So like this is about the chunk that I have to read, which I think I can do. I'm just gonna be slow because I'm sick. It's more of a sinus thing this time. It's not. I do have a cough, but it's nothing crazy. I should probably get water before I start to read, but now I'm just comfortable, so. Blueberry. You can't have the blueberry.
Yeah. out your shed last night.
Ow! Ow, 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 owie, owie. So I see my best friend Chloe on Monday, and I have all of her gifting stuff down there, which I'm very excited about, but I need to wrap it all, which is a process because I am giving her her own little like make it potions because we're into very witchy stuff. So I wanted to give her some because I have so many herbs. So I was like, I can like make, I've kind of prepped some things. So I've got like little envelopes to put certain herbs in and stuff. I need to like write the whole recipe I created down. And then I also made her like a little worry doll, and I got her a calendar that I made, and I'm gonna vlog all of that on Monday and you'll see it, but that's mainly the only thing I'm doing today. So I think I'm just gonna do like a time lapse of me wrapping all that stuff. That might be the last clip of my video, but yes, I'm very excited to wrap that, and I kind of got to get it all in order, and I have to write everything. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. I'll figure it out, and you'll get to watch it. So there's not much going on today. Yes, last night me and my boyfriend went up to the mall, so I didn't bring my camera because I don't always like vlogging in public, and walking around a mall with a camera is a little but we just hung out for a bit, and yeah, so that's really all that's going on. Nothing too crazy, just a very chillaxed day, listening to Peter McPoland, as I do, and yeah, there's just left. I'll probably read later, but for the most part, I'm just doing gifting and Christmassy stuff. And I can show these gifts because this video gets uploaded on the day that I'm seeing her, so I don't have to worry about her like getting spoiled. Unless she decides to watch this right before I hang out, which if you are watching this, Chloe, stop it. At least if you're watching it before getting your gifts. Maybe I should have said that before I started talking. Because it is the end of the week, I wanted to go through and check off all of the bucket list things that were done. And yeah, that's basically it. So, let's check off what we have done this week for the bucket list. We have watched Harry Potter. We have, make a Christmas wreath. We've gotten Christmas pajamas, that was even before. I've decorated the front porch. I have decorated my bedroom. And we have made red velvet pancakes. So we have done 5 things. Yes? Yes. 5 things, which is a pretty good start, which means there's only 20 things left to do. But yeah, that's where the video is gonna end today because I'm sick. As I have been. So let's see if this weekend recovers me a bit more. And I will see you all next Monday for my next Christmas vlog. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah. Goodbye!